What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's gonna be something a little different. Today we're actually in a parking lot here in Sugarland, and today we're gonna get the glass changed on the G8 because of the rock that flew and broke the windshield. So we got us a new windshield and we're gonna put it in. So hopefully we get this right done, and then Kyle's supposed to be coming to meet us, and I don't know what he's bringing, but he's gonna come meet us and then check out this new windshield. So they're getting started on taking this one out. Oh, he brought the Z01. He's driving the Duke Z. Ah, dang. He brought the big one.
It looks crazy.
That didn't take long.
It looks awesome. We even got the new sticker finally put on. But she's in. And an update, we pulled out most of the bumper yesterday. Insurance is trying to give me the runaround from the other guy that hit me. So for temporary, we poured hot water on it and pulled this dent out quite a bit. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot better. It's not such an eyesore. We're gonna go ahead and get new headlights as well. But
hey guys, if you ever need a glass change and all here in Texas, hit them up.
sorry about the noise, but we're right beside 59, so it's kind of noisy, but give these guys
G8
a shout if you need a windshield repair. He's fast. He done it in about 15 minutes.
Gordo Auto Glass, give him a call.
Gordo Auto Glass, give them a shout out.
They do trucks, cars, SUVs, 18-wheelers, and they did it pretty fast.
What you gonna do now?
This guy tried doing the zip tie mod, and this happened, and broke all his clips.
Oh no.
I told him to put a lot of silicone in.
Liquid nail. All right guys, so we're gonna take it back to the house. Short little video. Windshield was changed really fast. We're gonna roll back with Kyle in the Z01, and
gosh, it's clean. It's cammed, med, Kong, did the supercharger, they sent it back to him. Oh my gosh, this thing's clean. Listen to the sound of that. driving and this dude's trying to fight us. He keeps tailgating us. Get off the highway. We didn't even do anything. He's just going crazy. He's like tailgating. Get off. Dude.
I'm not getting off.
Why?
Because he's gonna follow me. That's why.
Not if you outrun him.
As soon as I can lose him, I'm gonna lose him.
We didn't even do it. We were just driving. We really didn't do anything. I'm kind of scared because he just like got in my face.
This guy's like going crazy. I don't even know why.
He was giving me faces and he said what's up to me. I didn't even do nothing. All we're doing is driving. There's cops. You can't exit. They're sitting in their cars.
You mother.
Is he still tailgating us?
Hey! Hey! Why are you mad?
No, you're not. Guys, we really didn't even do anything. We were just driving. And then he got on my side and he was like, get over, get over. I didn't even do anything. He just tried running us off the road twice. Kyle's back there. We didn't even do anything. We weren't racing. We weren't doing nothing. I just don't see what we did.
I don't even know. Like, dude was just going nuts for no reason.
He was like
We was
bobbing
doing
his head.
65 miles an hour, just regular driving.
Is there any way you can exit and go back home? He was scaring me. Like I don't know what I was doing.
I don't know. I don't know what the hell that was about.
I wonder if it was because I was taking pictures of Kyle's car.
Might have been the road rager mad because we wasn't speeding. That was crazy.
What if he got the plates?
It don't matter. You don't have the address.
We're cutting that out because they don't even know where we live. Like, but it's so weird. We didn't even do anything. And the dude was trying to fight me. He tried hitting us here, and then
That was the most
on my
craziest
side,
shit I've ever seen in my life.
I thought you were gonna exit. I really just don't see what we did.
I don't think we did anything. I think the dude was on drugs.
I think so.
I mean,
Because he was like shaking his head.
He was like
mad.
geeking out, gritting his teeth and shit.
He was like banging his head on the steering wheel. I guess see that's the key of having a fast car is getting away. But like, I've never been like home.
I've never had anything like that happen to me, ever.
That was weird.
That was so insane.
I hope he's still not like trying to follow us. Hopefully I caught some of that because on camera because that was.
I don't think you had the camera rolling.
We didn't do anything. Like, guys, look. My phone is dead. But like, all I did was take some pictures of Kyle's car and that was it.
They weren't doing anything. I was driving 65, you know, doing the speed limit, not swerving, not doing anything, just normal driving. And this guy comes out of nowhere talking about pull the fuck over, pull over. And I'm like,
What did we do?
I'm asking him like, what is your problem? And he won't answer. He just gets madder and madder.
He just like, he started like banging his head on the steering wheel. Like, that was scary. I'm gonna be honest, guys. People are crazy. Start carrying a gun. I'm like sweating. And at first he was on our side, my side, and then he was saying what's up, so I thought he was like a fan or something.
Yeah,
I really
I know.
did. I was like, hey, what's up? And he was like, pull them over. And then I don't know. So we're gonna.
I don't know. I just think it was some deranged guy with fucking road rage. I don't know.
We really didn't do anything.
But I lost him, so guess we'll catch you guys back at the house.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So after making it back home, we made it back home, you know, safe and sound. And I know I could have probably called the cops on the guy, went to the police station, whatever, but I just didn't feel it was that dangerous of a situation. But I'm actually filming this a couple of months later. This video was kind of lost in the archives, but made it home safe and sound. We haven't had any problems out of that guy anymore. If I would have, you know, called the cops, I couldn't read them his license plate or anything, and we were just moving too fast for cops to catch up. So I just decided to take it back to the house, and I kind of come to the conclusion that I believe it was the guy that stole the G8, because I couldn't think of any other reason someone would want to run us down and run us off the road and be as irate as the guy was. Even if he had road rage, there was no reason for him to be irate. I couldn't figure out any other reason why this guy had it out for us so bad. And like I said, I come to the conclusion that I think it was the guy that stole the G8, because he got away scot-free. They released him from jail. No charges were brought against him for stealing the car. And I've had a really shitty run of luck with the G8 in 2020. Worst year ever. I'll go on record and say that this is by far the worst year ever. But yeah, the guy got off scot-free. The guy that hit the G8, he got off scot-free. So I've pretty much just parked the G8 for this year. Really haven't done anything else with it. Drove it casually a couple of times here and there. I may run it to the store, put some gas in it, you know, just to keep all the oils and all the seals and everything lubed up in it. But she's sitting with a car cover on her now, and really not doing anything with it. But you know, if I would have had my gun on me, things would have been different, and I'm kind of glad I didn't, because the problem could have escalated to a lot worse, and I really didn't want to be reaching out the window with a gun, you know, reaching across Jonathan with a gun or anything. So it was kind of good I didn't. Thank God the G8 is fast, because that guy couldn't keep up if he had to. But and if he got my license plate, it doesn't matter. So with that being said, be careful out there, guys. You know, if you're riding by yourself, if you got a concealed, or even if you don't, it's legal here in Texas anyway to ride with your gun in the car. Just stay protected. You know, protect yourself. 2020 is nuts. People have lost their minds nowadays. So with that being said, be safe out there. Smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below, and turn on your post notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.